In UV curing applications, it's important to know the intensity of the UV that's coming out of the apparatus. With UVEX, we use the model PM600, which is a meter system that measures UV intensity in the 365 nanometer. It measures it in a very tight band of plus or minus 5 nanometers. So it doesn't measure the whole UVA range, but it measures the 365 area quite well. This is the meter box right here. Inside of it is the electronics and control. And power it on, it's battery operated. To take a measurement, you also need a probe. Probe's attached here. Probes come in a variety of configurations depending on how you want to use it in your application. In this case, I'm going to connect this probe to the box. This probe as a system and box would be calibrated as one unit. This is a 9-inch probe at the end of this cable, and it's used for extending inside of objects so that you get a good reach inside. For applications where you want to use a probe that's possibly a little shorter, get a little closer to the work, then this 2-inch probe is available. And again, if this probe were used with this box, they'd be calibrated together as a system. So this probe would go on here, then you'd use that probe to get into an area where you wanted close range on your UV measurement. If you want to use the PM600 system to measure UV intensity from the SCU-110 spot cure, a variety of adapters are available with the probe for that, so you can attach it either to the wand end or to the end of the SCU-110. With the adapters attached, you can then put the wand into the adapter, and when you put the UV on, it'll measure the UV intensity at the end of the wand. If you want to measure the UV output from the SCU-110 directly with the adapter, you put in the interconnection tube, put it into the unit, and take your measurement. When you get a PM600 system, you get the meter and one or more probes, depending on how many you want to get into your subsystem. In each case, the probe is calibrated to the box. So if you got one or two probes, each of the two probes would be calibrated to the box as a system. So you could get a 9-inch probe, you get a PM600 to SCU-110, and you could get a 2-inch probe in a package, or just one at whichever you choose.